Is Lion Pair Acne Cream the real deal or just another skincare hype? Let's break it down and see if it actually works or not. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Lion Pair Acne Cream is a Japanese spot treatment that claims to calm redness, reduce pimples, and prevent breakouts. It's sold on Amazon and gets a lot of attention in skincare communities, especially on Reddit, where users in Asian beauty have shared mixed about mostly positive thoughts. Many people say it works well for small breakouts and calming inflammation. It's got ingredients like ibuprofen, picanol that aren't common in Western acne products, which might be why some users find it more effective. On the downside, a few users say it takes a while to work or doesn't do much for more severe acne. One thing to note, there's no Trustpilot page linked, but the Amazon listing shows mostly positive ratings. For the final verdict, Client Pair doesn't seem like a scam. It's actually a well-known product in Japan. While results vary, it might be worth a try for mild acne or occasional breakouts. Just don't expect overnight miracles. Now, have you tried Lion Pair? Share your experience in the comments, and if you want more no-fluff skincare reviews, hit that follow button.